Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to make a Discord account. First, make sure you have your Discord app download and installed completely. Now open your app. So as you can see, it will ask you if you need to register or log in. As you are making a new Discord account, just click on register. Here you will need to log in through your email or your phone number. If you prefer your phone number over your email, that's totally okay, but I am going with the email. Now type in your email address. After that, click on next. Now you just need to add your display name, which is the one in your display. After that, just click on next. Now comes the username. For that, you can just type your name again. You can add numbers, letters, or underscores, or even a full stop in your username. So I will use an underscore in my name, just like that. Now I will create a password for this. Now after you're done, just click on next. Now put your date of birth and confirm it. After that, click on create an account and confirm that you are human. So now we wait, follow the on-screen verification instructions, and now you're almost done. If you want to allow Discord to send notifications, you can allow, or if you don't, click on don't allow. So it might ask you if you want to sync your contacts to find people on your Discord. If you want it, just click on allow, or you can just click on skip anyway. Here, you can click on allow people to find me at the bottom, or you can just click on the skip at the top right. Now, you will need to choose your profile picture. So you can just choose avatars from here like this, or you can add your profile picture by clicking on the plus sign. Now it will ask you if you want to allow some permissions. Go ahead and click on allow on every one of these, and now you can add your profile pictures from your gallery as well. So I'll just click on this one. So if you don't want any profile picture, you can click on this skip at the top right also. After you're done, click on next, and you're done. You have successfully made a Discord account. So this is your profile, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next video.